Okay,
Okay.
all right.
Start.
Okay. So, guys, as today we are going to discuss about Indian news channels. So, according to me, what I know, uh, Indian news channel is not as much as good as compared to internet news channel. What I means about the internet news channel, just because internet news channel has no control of any particular country's government. Like if we can take example of China, China has totally control over the industry, over the news channel, over the media. So they control everything. Even if you want to share something, they will just remove it. They have their own keywords. So no one governments want that their criticism, just because public can watch and they can think about them. That's why even in my India, if I will talk about, there is only one news channel, that is NDTV. That is NDTV. They actually try to show you the reality of our India that is going on out there. And except from that, what I know, no any other news channel trying to show you anything. Even they are creating debate every single day, but they are just yelling, screaming, and what they do, they don't try to so they don't try to talk any productive things. They just criticize Pakistan. They just criticize uh, all the other things what's going on around other world. They don't care about our India, what's going on in our India. So I think instead of taking interest in what's going on in our country, they are more interested to take the interest in other country. And the same, they sometimes appreciate political parties. They don't really take the actual thing that is going on in our India. So definitely, if it comes about the TV media, it must be banned. Most of the TV media must be banned according to me. So yeah, now you guys can start.
Nabil,
Okay.
you want to say something?
I think if we talk about media, so media is playing a vital role of any democracy. We can say it's a fourth pillar of democracy. So definitely media shows the mirror of any society. So media have to be realistic or have to be honest. But unfortunately, I'm not saying that in only our country. But if you talk about any other countries like Turkey or many other countries, they also always criticize that journalists and they putting in the prison many real or honest journalists. But the same like in India, because unfortunately we don't have any good channels who show all the reality. But I think all the media wanna cash something. They also work any specific party, but we don't have to follow it as a journalist because everyone know that I don't want to take the name of the news channel. Some news channels, they are completely bullshit. They completely based on bullshit. They just want to hype the any specific topic and they just want to catch it. And that is the thing, because if you talk about educated person, they know very well what is the reality because they use internet, so they can collect the real knowledge. But if you talk about uneducated people, they don't have any smartphones in their home, so how can they know the reality of our country, that what's happening? So they believe in, and that is the reason of communal rights and what's the different kinds of rights we know about it. So that is the only reason. So if media wants, so they can easily handle it. So that's it. So we have to be real. We have to think that down the line that everything will be okay and our media will be go for a good work. But I'm not saying that our media is completely bullshit. There are some good news channel is available. Definitely we can watch it and we can learn something through it. That's all.
Yeah, great.
So can I say something?
Yeah.
Okay. So yeah, I mean, as I mentioned that media is nowadays not like reliable. So it's completely, and they're showing some uncut thing, and media is also biased. All the media is biased, and the media should be unbiased, and because the whole country is watching the news because they are the people watch news channel because of information, because they want to know what is going on inside the country. But our media is as Dhruva mentioned that they are just showing the other countries, I mean, what is happening in other countries, because instead of showing inside of our countries what is going on in our country, but they are just like focusing on other countries. So this is unfair. This is unfair, and yeah, I mean, they have no monopoly on their words. They don't know what kind of words should use, and and I mean, media and yeah, one thing I have noticed that uh, media, all the media, like not, yeah, I mean, majority of the media and the journalists, they always ask question to the opposition party. It's happening right nowadays. So I don't think that media should question opposition party. Media should question ruling party, because opposition party, they have no power. They are opposition. So they have the right to ask question ruling party. But what is going on? Media is asking question, opposition party. So how? I mean, they have no power. So if you are questioning constantly and over and again, I mean, over and over. So what they will do nothing for us, because so we have to question, like, ruling party. We have the power to question ruling party, because so because we have brought this party in rule, and we were unsatisfied with opposition party. That's why, we, as Drobo mentioned, that's why we have brought new party on the rule. So this is happening, I think, in India, and there are some debate show this which is not like watchable. There, it's like, it's like unmanageable. You can't watch for a long. And if you once you start watch, I must say that you will quit news after watching 1 or 2 minutes, because you will be
Okay.
confused what you are watching. So I think there are a lot
Okay.
of negativity, and also rumors, fake news are spreading by news channel. Okay,
Yeah.
okay, that's it. It's
Yeah.
from my.
Vicky.
Okay. Okay, yeah, as far as our topic is concerned about news channel. So in news channel, some news channels should be banned or not. So first of all, I would say like we can't say like any news channel can be banned. Uh, uh, I mean, shortly. But if they are showing irrelevant thing, as we are expected to so they are not showing. So uh, they should try to show us a reality of truth. They should not take any particular party's favor, and that's how they can expose like some who are involved in corruption and who are connected with this scam. So that's how they can expose by being unbiased. So they should take such kind of step, and they don't show us reality as for they are expected to show. And they are completely, mostly channels are inclined to any particular party. They do nothing but they just keep admiring them instead of showing us a reality. So they need to show us reality as per they are expected to show us. Okay, that's all from
Okay.
my side, bro.
Okay, Sandeep, do you wanna say something? Hello, Sandeep.
Yes, yes. Can you listen me?
Yeah, yeah.
Because my connection is not.
Now you are audible.
Yes. Can I start?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. One point. Yes. India's media is falling in its democratic duty. Yes. Indian media don't show the reality about anything. As you know, the politician and minister and captain of industry do not like to share what he do. I think they put in media super TV. Yes, and uh, I
Yeah, hello.
started
Hello.
Yes, Gaurav.
Hello. Nice to meet you, everyone.
Yeah,
And
nice to meet you.
okay, so can I shall I start?
Yes.
Yeah, sure, sure.
Okay. So first of all, yeah. Okay. So there are a lot of news channels in India and all over the world. If you talk about India, so obviously there are some channels are there. So they are doing great work, but there are majority of the news channels are doing fake news and all. If you talk about NDTV
Okay.
news, okay. So everyone, I think everyone know about Ravish Kumar, right?
Mhm.
Right, bro.
He's doing, so he's okay. So I think according to me, Ravish Kumar is the only journalist remaining in the India that he is a neutral. Okay, he's not he's not a favor of any particular community or party, political party. He's for social cause, or he's fighting for social causes. Okay,
Yeah,
and
right, bro.
yeah. So if we talk about okay, so here we are talking about all the media channels and we are blaming for each and every media channels. Okay, so if you talk, let's example of NDTV channel. Okay, and NDTV India want to uncover or expose the truth all about Indians, politicians, and Indian situations. Okay, but there are a lot of government pressures are there. Okay, so the Indian government puts a lot of pressure on journalists or Indian media communication, Indian communication channels. Okay, so if you talk about Ravish Kumar faces lots of death threats or rape threats and everything. For okay, so I think one of the main reason our Indian news channels are doing fake news. Majority of the news channels fake news because they don't have any security services or they don't have their
Right.
life is at stake. So that's why they have to follow some government rules or they have to actually. So that's why oh, that's another side of there is another point of view to look at a particular news channel. Okay, we are looking at news channels at one point of view that they are showing fake news. Okay, except that I know that. But if you look at another point of view, that why they are doing that, why they are doing certain fake news, their reason, right? They want to, first of all, they need to run their own business. Second, uh, each and every news channel have to go through some media policies. Okay, so if you, so that's why I think they are producing fake news because they are under some pressures, lots of pressure. If you talk about there is a one example, ABP News, I think. So he's, I think, a primetime show host, Abhishek Sharma. You know about Abhishek
Yeah,
Sharma?
yeah,
Yeah.
yes, yes, yes.
Okay, so he's
He has
talking
been
about
fired.
why BGP doing some, why BGP is doing some, that things that are not true, or that excuse me, voice are there.
Yeah.
Okay,
All
yeah,
right.
okay.
There is
So
a noise.
okay, so Abhishek Sharma trying to ask a question to BGP politicians, why the salary of farmers are not getting doubled as they promised. Okay, when they asked this question on their Prime TV show, they literally removed that particular Prime TV show from that particular channel. And
Yeah,
when they
we
aired,
know.
And
yeah, when they aired,
he has been fired, yes, from his job. Yeah,
yeah.
Abhishek Sharma. Hmm.
Okay, so what we get, or what we see here, that all the new all there are some news, they're doing business only, but there are some journalists, they want to uncover truth, or there are some media channels they want to do great, but there are a lot of circumstances, because of that they don't able to do it, I think. So that's
Yeah, bro.
another point of view we have to
Yeah,
look
there
at
is a
it.
pressure actually. Yeah, there is a pressure,
Exactly.
political pressure. Yes, that's why
Yeah.
they are
Yeah,
doing such.
but in this point, I want to say only one point. If there is only single news channel, if there is single journalist like Ravish Kumar, if they are doing the
Okay.
same thing, why other media can't do? So it is only a kind of, we can say, excuse, and it is also reality. So it is also reality when it comes about political parties and the existing government. We can take a
We are,
example of Chinese government, but we are better than that in now in that position. We don't need to be like that. So for that, I think instead of watching all the TV channel, we can shift ourselves to the internet news channel, which are really showing us the truth. I think this is how we can help us to our family, to us also, of brainwashing that we are looking on a TV channel, we are getting from that. So I think this is what we can do instead of banning any news channel, because that is not in our hand. That is again in the hand of our government and you know the reality of government. They don't want to listen any criticism about there.
Yeah.
So okay.